This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, October the 30th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a major snowstorm taking place over the New England states. A weak disturbance moving through our part of the country that will produce some showers later today. And another storm system moving into the Pacific Northwest. Watch warning map from around midnight. Some frost and freeze advisories over the south and up into the mid-Atlantic. Winter storm warnings continuing over the New England states. Otherwise, the rest of the nation is fairly quiet. QPF chart. Precipitation, this is over a period from Tuesday through Thursday at 7 p.m. This is when the next large amount of rain is going to take place, and amounts could be fairly heavy, over 2 inches possible. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. today. You can see today's storm system, the disturbance with the vortex over the plains down into Iowa moving in, and the storm over the Canadian Maritimes moving out. While here we'll see some showers, mainly through the early afternoon hours, with skies beginning to clear over the far western counties of the state. We head to Monday. Temperatures slightly warmer, highs mid-50s to a few low 60s, so trick-or-treating should not be a problem during the evening hours. We are off to Tuesday. Southerly winds take hold. This will likely be the warmest day of the next 7, highs in the upper 50s to middle 60s with some breezy southerly winds and increasing clouds. Wednesday, this will be the first day of quite a bit of rain as a frontal system moves in, with some showers and maybe an isolated clap of thunder. And Thursday, the rain will decrease as it moves off to the south and east. Again, rainfall will be fairly heavy, maybe 1, maybe 2 inches in isolated areas possible with this system. Friday, that moves off. Winds still from about the south, so highs will be likely in the lower to middle 50s, maybe a few upper 50s possible, with some partly cloudy skies. But by Saturday, ooh boy, big huge vortex and a big trough digging in through the central and southern plains. And with that looking like that, it does not surprise me to see a low pressure way down there in northeastern Kansas, and that could bring more rain to the state and heavy snow possible over the plain states at that time. As we head into Sunday morning, the low bombs out over western Wisconsin, some showers, thunderstorms along the cold front, heavy snow possible over Minnesota, maybe even northwestern Iowa, so that will be a storm to watch. We head off further into Voodoo. Here's the 10th of November. You can see a zonal flow across the country with a few vortexes here and there, and at the surface, no real excitement around. A few showers over the southeast, so that storm system we've been seeing over the last several days around this point has now completely disappeared. And at the end of the forecast on the 14th, wavy pattern, a bit of a trough, broad trough over the Pacific Northwest and over New England, and a flat ridge over the rest of the country. And at the surface, some rain, mountain snow over the west, a semblance of a possible storm over New England. Otherwise, it's fairly quiet as we head into the middle of the month. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.